I checked my bank app this morning like it owed me an apology.
Oh, God, buddy, I'm sorry. You okay?
I'm okay, I guess. $3.47. That's not a balance, that's a punchline. I'm out here living like an NPC while influencers on TikTok are buying islands with their coupon codes. Hey, is there a setting to make money go up? Maybe.
Put it in!
You're facing the wrong way, sir.
Fuck! All right, give me the money!
Okay, let's be honest. School taught you how to calculate the angle of a triangle, but not how to avoid getting finessed by Klarna. You know who taught me money? Mr. Beast.
What's up, guys?
By giving away more money in one video than my entire hometown's economy. Meanwhile, I'm here trying to understand why my coffee budget is bigger than my emergency fund.
Mr. Krabs, I am so confused.
Don't worry, SpongeBob. I've got you. I call this method G.R.O.W.S because your money needs to glow up, not gaslight you. G. Get clear on your cash.
Money, money, that profit will make me.
You ever open your banking app and say, huh, that's weird, like someone else spent your money? Nah, that was you at 2 a.m., buying LED lights and anime hoodies like your rent's already paid. Track everything for 1 week. If you spent $60 on bubble tea, own it, then fix it. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's self-defense. R. Reduce dumb stuff. You've got 5 subscriptions and you only use 2. Why are you paying for Discovery Plus? You don't even discover your own goals. Get rid of stuff that doesn't serve you. That includes apps, 5th food delivery app that swears it's giving you free delivery. O. Organized system. Set up 3 bank accounts like this as GTA and you're managing operations. 1. Spending. 2. Bills. 3. Don't touch this unless life's on fire. Then automate it. Set it, forget it, profit like a lazy genius. W. Work a real goat. So, don't say, I want to be rich.
Mr. Krabs.
Hello, I like money.
So does everybody with a mic and a dream. Be specific. I want to save $1,000 in 3 months to quit that job where I get scheduled like I don't have a life. Now that's a goal.
And since I'd achieved all my goals as president in 1 term, there was no need for a second. The end.
S. Stack a skill, not just stress. You don't need another side hustle. You need a skill that actually slaps. Learn video editing, selling, AI tools, something. Even Logan Paul figured out how to sell drinks to middle schoolers. You can figure out Canva. The truth? You don't suck at money. You just got set up by a system that wants you confused, tired, and buying things you don't need. From people who already made it. So use G.R.O.W.S. Get clear. Reduce dumb. Organize, work a goal, stack a skill, and maybe finally stop living like your debit card is playing hard to get. Try one part of G.R.O.W.S. this week. If you cancel a subscription or make $1 doing something new, comment CEO vibes so I know you're in.